Oh, it's you again. What now? You want to learn about investing? Fine. Well, luckily for you, we empower beginners to embark on their investment journey with confidence. In this video, we will explore the top 5 investment strategies for beginners. Whether you're just starting or looking to refine your approach, these strategies will help you make informed decisions and pave the way for financial success. So, let's dive in. Number 1. Set clear financial goals. The first step in any investment journey is setting clear financial goals. Determine your objectives, whether it's saving for retirement, buying a house, or funding your children's education. By having specific targets in mind, you can align your investment strategy accordingly and measure your progress along the way. Number 2. Establish an emergency fund. Before diving into investments, it's crucial to establish an emergency fund. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a separate account. This fund acts as a safety net, protecting you from unforeseen circumstances and ensuring you won't need to liquidate your investments in times of financial emergencies. Number 3. Embrace diversification. Diversification is a key principle to mitigate risk and maximize potential returns. Spread your investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and commodities. By diversifying, you can reduce the impact of a single investment's poor performance and benefit from the growth of multiple sectors or markets. It is also much easier on your mind, as you will not be continuously worried about a single large investment that you have made. Number 4. Dollar cost averaging. Dollar cost averaging is a disciplined investment strategy suitable for beginners. It involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of market conditions. By doing so, you buy more shares when prices are low and fewer shares when prices are high, effectively averaging out the cost per share over time. Number 5. Index fund investing. For beginners looking for simplicity and broad market exposure, index fund investing is a popular choice. Index funds track specific market indexes, like the S&P 500, and provide a diversified portfolio with lower fees compared to actively managed funds. By investing in index funds, you can participate in the overall market's performance without the need for extensive research or stock-picking skills. Investing can be a powerful tool for building wealth and securing your financial future. By setting clear goals, establishing an emergency fund, diversifying your portfolio, practicing dollar cost averaging, and investing in index funds, beginners can navigate the investment landscape with confidence. Remember, education and seeking professional advice are essential components of a successful investment journey. So, embark on your path to financial freedom, stay disciplined, and watch your wealth grow over time. Happy investing! Oh, and please make sure you like, share, and subscribe for more content like this.